Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing 6 feet in braids with a little twist. Get it? A little twist. Okay. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, of course, just keep on watching. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more braiding tricks, tips, and tutorials. And thank you for all who have returned back and who are already subscribed. I really do appreciate you guys. Now let's get into it.
She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
So in this video, I'm not going to focus too much on doing the actual feet and braids. I have a few videos out on doing feet and braids. So if you haven't already, you can click that link right above and it'll take you to a video of how to do feet and braids that'll focus specifically on my process of doing feet and braids. But in this video, I really just want to focus on the crisscross technique that I'm using. So I am starting on freshly washed and blow dried out hair. So I decided to blow out the hair on camera for y'all to see. And I'm using my Shine & Jam. Y'all know I love my Shine & Jam, and that's what I always use. So if you were wondering, I always use Shine & Jam when I am doing my braids. So I've already done the 4 braids, 2 on each side, and now I'm just down to the 2 braids in the middle that will be the crisscross braids. So I am doing a part where I want the braids to cross at. So I'm going to split up each section into 2. So a top half and a bottom half. Doing the same on the other side. So I tied up that top left section of the hair. So what you're going to do is then you are going to tie up the bottom section of the hair that you're not braiding yet. You're going to tie that one up on the opposite side. So if you were to tie up the top right section, then you'll tie up the bottom left. So I am tying up the bottom right because I have the top left put away. Okay, so tying it up just to put it away. And so my first braid will be braiding the top right in the bottom, the top right into the bottom left. All right, so for this, I'm just doing a regular feet and braid up until I get to that, the bottom section of the first half. So up until I get to that part. So once I got to the bottom of that section, I'm no longer feeding in braids. I'm no longer adding hair, like the client's hair. I'm just going to now braid it until I get over that bottom section. And then once I get over the bottom section, now I'm going to add in the client's hair with doing a French braid. Now, once you're on the top of that bottom section, you can just continue doing your feed in braids as normal. Now I'm adding in my finishing touches. And I know this is so off topic of hair, but while I was doing these braids, you guys, we had a hailstorm and the camera was still recording, so I'm gonna show y'all.
Oh my god. Look at that.
I'm mad that my son actually went outside and got some hail, so this is what it was. Okay, back to the braid, sorry. Come through with the baby hairs. Hey. And dipping the braids in hot water. And this is the result. I like. Y'all got to tell me what y'all think. I think I did that. You know, when you do some hair and you look at it like, hey, okay, I did that. That's how I was feeling. I was like, oh, okay. I kept telling her, I was like, girl, you look good. You look good, girl. Yes, honey. Come through with the braids. I like. But y'all got to tell me, because I be hyping myself up. I don't care. Y'all can't tell me nothing. It's cute. It's cute. Make sure you like the video if you did enjoy. And again, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the love. See you guys next time on my next video. God bless. Bye.